Question 11. We have to find the area of the shaded port. The area of the shaded port equal the area of the larger sector minus the area of the smaller sector. The area of sector equals theta, the measure of the angle, over 360 times pi r squared. To find the area of the smaller sector, the area of the smaller sector equals 140 over 360 times pi times r, which is 3.2 power 2. Using calculator, the area equal 140 over 360 times pi times 3.2 power 2 equals 896 over 225 pi. 896 over 225 pi. Now the area of larger sector equals 140. We have the same central angle here. 140 over 360 times pi times 5.8 power 2. 5.8 because the radius of the larger sector is 3.2 plus 2.6 equals 5.8 centimeter. Using calculator, times 5.8 to the power 2 to find the area of the larger sector, which is 5887 over 450. 5887 over 450 pi. To find the area of shaded part, we have to subtract both areas. When subtracting both areas, minus 896 over 225 pi equals 91 over 10 pi. 91 over 10 pi means 9.1. 9.1 pi. He needs to know the value of k. K equal 9.1. Thank you.